Hey, what is up guys? John from Magic Tech Review, and in today's video we're going to be talking with Miss Terry at Family Dollar. So she has the free government phone right now, and she's on Assurance Wireless, which is also free of charge. So, I kind of like messed with her, clowns with her the other day, and she, I guess, took it to heart. And she said she's been looking around, and she's going to go for T-Mobile, iPhone 13 mini, and the Apple Watch. So go ahead and leave a like on the video if you enjoyed the content. Go ahead and subscribe to become part of the Magic Tech Review family. Comment down below. We really need you to comment down below what you want Miss Terry to invest in or think of instead of getting the iPhone mini 13. I don't know. That's what she wants, but I think it should be something a little bit cheaper. So this is the interaction that we had coming up next, and I thought it was pretty funny. That's why I put it on the channel. Hopefully you guys enjoy as well. Don't forget we have a join button as well for as little as 99 cents to become a member of the MTR squad. But other than that, guys, enjoy the video, and
But I know I gotta get rid of it.
So this is the free. I never had one of these in my hand because I never, I don't.
Oh, it's cheap.
I see it. I'm just trying to. So this is the free phone, guys, that you get.
Do I need to turn it on?
Government phone or whatever. So.
Yeah, that's whack. That phone is so whack.
You
should see the pictures when you take pictures.
Uh-huh.
And if people send you pictures.
Yeah.
It's so fuzzy.
Well, I mean, of course, it's just meant to be.
It served its purpose, but now, like you said, it's time for you to upgrade.
Right. So she's gonna go from this to an iPhone 13 mini. Okay. So, yes. So.
Black Friday.
So, and who's gonna teach you?
You.
Me.
You better.
Oh God. So she's saying that I got to teach her.
Yeah.
Okay.
All I want to know is how to photo edit pictures, how to get on Instagram. What else I want to do?
So what would you? This is a little video that I'm making, basically. So what would you suggest for her from going from a free government Android phone? She wants to go to the iPhone 13 mini with who? T-Mobile, was it?
Yeah.
Okay. So. My fans will tell you on the video in the comments. They're gonna tell you who you should go with.
I should go with now?
Yeah.
No Motorola's.
No Motorola.
I like LG.
LG, but
it's beeping, mama.
LG is kind of.
I like LG.
Okay.
I do. But I really want an iPhone because they.
Okay.
I can get a watch. I can get an Apple Watch.
So she's gonna get an app. So she's going from free government phone to iPhone 13 mini. So she's not paying nothing for her. She's with Assurance. Now she's gonna go to iPhone. Oh, she want to be in the video. Okay. So she's going to an iPhone 13 mini with a smartwatch and everything. She says $699. So I don't know. You guys in the comments down below, please let us know what she should get. I'm saying that she should get something a little bit more sensible. Maybe go to like Metro PCS. That's literally down there.
Cheaper is not always the best. That reception I heard with Metro is not the greatest.
But she's using a free phone, and she's saying cheap is not the best.
Only because I had to move and I have a baby.
Okay.
I had new expenses.
All right.
New expenses and new child.
New expenses, new child. Okay. Okay, Miss Terry. I gotta go, but.
Okay, baby. You want to? I'll see you for lunch.
Oh. All right. You gonna see this up here?